everyone! In this video I'll show you how you can make a cute toy cottage, as you've seen in the stop motion at the beginning of the video. Recently I made some rainbow domino blocks, and these strips are the cut-offs of the domino blocks. So I'll first plane them down smooth. To do it all at the same time, I use double-sided tape to attach them to a longer board, so it's safer to do. To give the cottage some rougher look, I sanded the edges of the sticks. Now I can cut the sticks into the right length. The right side is for the longer sticks and the left side is for the shorter sticks. Now it's time to glue up the panels. Make sure you keep the short cut-off pieces, so you can use these as spacers to line up each slat. I'm using a combination of wood glue and super glue. Now let's cut some more short pieces. Shortly you can see how I use the spacer to cut the different lengths. And yes, this project involves a lot of glue ups. Now that the glue on the 4 panels is drying up, we can focus on the roof. This piece of wood is a scrap of the Rubio Monocoat Atelier days 2 years ago. It was a great event. So these darker walnut slats are the roof pieces, and now we'll focus on 2 triangles at the sides to give them support. Later on I'll glue in straight support pieces between the 2. Because I wasn't able to put some clamps on all the wall panels, I'm gluing on a strip of wood across, so it gives a bit more support. And now it was time to glue the 4 panels together. For this step I asked my mom for some help. And as always, I can always count on her. Thank you, Mom. Here I'm cutting the cross beams for the 2 triangles of the roof. Later on the bandsaw I'll cut out a recess on the triangle and on the slats. I did some dry fitting and it fits, so now I can glue it all together. Then I can glue on the roof slats. The two boards on both sides are too wide, so I've cut off a piece. Here I decided to give it some more shape. The lowest slats of the roof didn't have support out of the other support pieces, so I'm making a new one. An extra one. I need to chamfer the edge because I need to make sure it doesn't interfere with the toy cottage itself. Now it's time to glue it in place. And once again, thank you, Mama! Some final sanding, and oh, then I decided to give the short edges of the roof also the wavy design at the edges. And once that was finished, it was really time for Rubio Monocoat finish. Thanks for watching, and like always, I'll see you in one of my new videos. And hey, let me know down in the comments down below, what do you think of my toy cottage, and did you like the stop motion at the beginning of the video? Bye! Thank you!